Welcome back to school and welcome to Virtual Open House. My name's Ryan Goubeaux, one of the two tech ed teachers here at the high school. I've been at the high school for 7 years now, and I've been teaching a total of 7 years now, and I can't think of a better place to teach. I really like the way Brecksville does their elective classes and all the great things that we get to teach here. I think we expose some kids to some really cool stuff. So I'm really excited about this year that we actually get to be in person and see the kids again. But without further ado, I want to dive into kind of what we're doing this year and how it's working. So the main thing that we're using this year is Google Classroom. All of my assignments, assessments, that is the main way that I communicate to my kids. Zoom links are all on Google Classroom. So that's where you can find anything and everything. That's where the kids will find it. I do have some stuff, some additional resources on my website, but yet again, Google Classroom is definitely the place to go for the kids. Progress book is where I'll be putting in all of my grades. I try to get grades in, as soon as possible that day or the next day so that we can keep you updated and keep the kids updated and keep that communication flowing. If you or your son or daughter needs to contact me, the best way to do that is email. I'm always moving around from room to room throughout the day, and to pin me to one phone is kind of hard to do. So email is the best way to do that, and normally I get to those really quick and get back to you really fast, and we can solve whatever we need to. But I'm looking forward to a really awesome year. I'm glad to be back, and now let's get into the classes. All right, engineering design team. This is the first time that I've had the opportunity to teach this class, and I'm super excited. It is the highest level of engineering CAD that we have. It's kind of our third tier or our third level. This is where you max out at the high school as far as engineering CAD is concerned. And it's the most creative and open-ended class that we offer in the tech ed program. So with this class, this is completely modeled on college design teams. And a lot of different colleges have design teams where it's extracurricular stuff, where you can join a group or join a team, you solve a problem, build something, design something, or create something. And that is what we're trying to replicate in our class. So students will come in, they will be encouraged to work in groups or teams. Sometimes we can make an exception. We can have somebody working as an individual, but really we want people working as teams. That's the entire point of it. Communication, learning how to talk to each other, working how to work in groups together. And they're going to work together to solve a problem or design something or build something. And really, when I say anything is on the table, we can go in any direction they want. Long as they can prove to us that it's something that they can do in this semester period of time, they can use the software that we have to design it, and they can use the machines that we have to build it, really it's on the table. And we want it to be as focused and centered around their interests and their needs as possible. If they want to be a doctor, that they're not really looking into going into engineering, but they've made it this far in their classes, in this class, that's fine. Do something related to the medical field, but you have to be able to design it and build it in here. But we're trying to get kids interested in the things that they want and they need for their future. So this class is really shaping up to be something cool. Kids will have to they will have to prove their steps through the design process. They will have to, students will be required to document their process, explain why they're doing things, how they're doing things, and show the results. Did it work? Did it not work? What could we do better? So there's going to be a deep evaluation of their project and how it ended up working out. Something similar to the college level. So I'm really looking forward to that and having a great year.